Hi, I am Reshma, developer at CRT Technologies. Through this video, I would like to give you an introduction about what is Developer Console, what it does, how we can use Developer Console, what all tools and features it provides us. So, we are moving to Developer Console. After login to your Salesforce organization, this is the page you get. At the top right side, you can see your name. Click your name. In that you can see Developer Console. Click Developer Console. It will open in a new window. Developer Console is a browser-based developing environment. It provides a collection of tools and features you can use to create, debug and test your application in your Salesforce organization. This is the UI you can see when you open your Developer Console. You can see a menu bar here. In that you can see several menus. In the file menu, new, you can create new Apex class, Apex trigger, Visualforce pages and component. I am going to create a new Apex class. Click new, enter a name. Click OK. So here is your Apex class. In here you can write and edit your Apex code. This is the source code editor. It provides a workspace for edit your Apex code and Visualforce component. Now I am going to open some source code file which I have already created. In file menu, click open. In that classes, click insert books. Click open. Like this you can open the source code file you needed. While opening our source code file, it will open in each tab. While clicking each tab, we can navigate to each source code file. You can see a workspace menu over here. Developer Console uses workspace to organize related tabs into one workspace. You can create a new workspace also, and you can organize the related tab into one workspace, and you can create another workspace that contain another related tab, and you can switch between these workspace and you can work on different problems. You can see a debug menu here. Developer Console allows you to use this debug menu to manage your execution log, and you can execute your anonymous Apex code using this anonymous window. In this enter Apex code window, I have written some code for executing our Apex class. Here I have written an Apex class to enter one book name to the book detail. After successfully inserting the book, we have to display this message: successfully inserted and the date time of when the book is inserted. After entering your anonymous code, click execute. After executing your specific application logic, in the execute anonymous window, it will generate a debug log. In the log window, you can see the result of execution as debug log. While double clicking, it opens in a new window. In that you can see execution log contain every event that is recorded, and also you can see which all items are called by your code. Using this you can easily locate your runtime issues. In the user debug event, you can see the message displayed as successfully inserted and the date time. You can debug your application by putting checkpoint also. If I put checkpoint and go to checkpoint tab at the bottom, you can see the checkpoint location where I put checkpoints. Checkpoints preserve a snapshot of the state of object when the time the checkpoint was reached. So using this checkpoint, you can debug and validate the performance of the particular code. So I want to enter particular book name is Dying of the Light. So let's check our book's detail if it is inserted or not. So go to your Salesforce organization, in this click book tab. So our record was successfully inserted here. So this is how debugging work in our developer console. Coming back to our developer console, here you can see a test menu. These many options are available with this test menu. Developer console uses a collection of tools for testing and validating our application. While running our tests, in the test tab you can see at the bottom, it will show the overall coverage of our code. It will shown here. So analyzing this, we can validate the performance of our code. To develop a successful long-term error-free application, we have to follow a test-driven development. For this purpose, Developer Console provides these features too. You can see a query editor tab here. We use it to query the data from your organization. We can write query here. While going back to our Salesforce organization, we have these many records. I wrote one query to select the record from our application. Let's execute. Let's see what happened. Yes, here the records are displayed in the query result. You also have a view state tab here. It allows you to examine the view state for a Visualforce page when each request comes. You can see a progress tab here. Progress tab shows the detail of operation that are in progress from the developer console starts itself till the last operation completed. In the problems tab, it shows the detail of compilation error in the source code editor. If I remove this particular semicolon, in the problems tab, it shown expecting a semicolon. So it shows the compilation error. I am going to enter the semicolon back. You can see a help menu. In that you can have option to take a tour. You can take the tour to developer console test and these items. It will give you much more idea about what is developer console and its features. So this is all about developer console. Hope this video will help you. Thank you.